街の明かりがぼやけてる理解できぬ何も見えぬ静かな街の声が
I'm begging.
奥に広がる
Hi everyone, it's nastyaionast. Welcome to my channel. Всем привет! Это nastyaionast. Добро пожаловать на мой канал. До начала нового учебного года осталось меньше недели. Вы готовы? Думаю, переживательнее всего будет 9 и 11 классом, ведь вы будете сдавать экзамены. Но я уверена, что с хорошей подготовкой и стресса будет меньше. Онлайн-школа 100-бальный репетитор — то, что нужно для тех, кто хочет сдать экзамены на высокие баллы. Ведь они каждый год выпускают 15% всех 100-бальников России. Их преподаватели — сертифицированные специалисты ФИПИ с большим опытом. А еще они блогеры и стримеры, так что занятия будут точно интересными. На платформе 100-бального есть все, что нужно школьникам, от курсов по ОГЭ и ЕГЭ до подготовки к олимпиадам и поступлению. А для тех, кто хочет начать готовиться уже сейчас, есть подарок — бесплатные курсы 100-бального за прошлый год. В описании я оставила ссылку на бот, где можно бесплатно посмотреть и скачать материалы курсов по всем предметам для подготовки к ОГЭ и ЕГЭ. Скорее переходите по ссылке в описании или по QR-коду на экране. Забрать бесплатные курсы можно только до 31 августа. Ну а мы переходим к основной части видео. Приятного просмотра! Hi. On our day 6 in Korea, we wanted to visit Gyeongbokgung Palace, but just going there isn't that fun. So we decided to rent traditional Korean clothing, hanbok. Rita found this rental service called hanboks, so we went there. At first you need to choose a long skirt, and then stop will help you to pick the matching short jacket. Then you go to fitting rooms where they help you to get dressed. I think our hanboks were mesmerizing, and we couldn't believe how pretty they were. Then we got our hair done in the traditional style for extra fee, and it was 100% worth it.
Как вот в этом фоткаться, если там, когда мы там фоткаемся, можем сделать все что угодно.
One of the reasons why you should rent hanbok is that you can visit Gyeongbokgung Palace for free just because you're wearing traditional clothing. Overall, that was such an amazing experience. It felt like you made a leap through time and found yourself in the Joseon dynasty. And if you're a foreigner, be ready to get an extra attention from locals and other tourists. Oh my gosh, guys, I have no words. Well, basically, people just take a lot of photos of us.
With us.
With us.
You know, there were two girls.
Two Korean girls.
Two Korean girls, yeah. They asked to take a picture with us, and after that they ran away, smiling, giggling, and screaming.
진짜 예쁘다. Oh, I'm sweating. Wait, they're too cute.
Нормально вообще нет. Какая она у них черная, у них черные белки.
We're going to Hanok village now. I hope we will make it on time. gosh. On day 7, we went to Hongdae. We visited this place called Polka Spot, where you can order different photo cards and receive them right on the next day. Isn't that cool? I got P1Harmony Jiwoon and Le Seraphim Yoonjun photo cards. And then we made it to Gyeongcha. I always wanted to try their drinks, and that time I ordered something with Greek yogurt and strawberry. And it was so refreshing and delicious.
Wow. That's like typical Korea. People smoking, near signs, no smoking. Like, what? There are a lot of people, and like signs with no smoking are every meter, I think. Like no smoking, no smoking, no smoking, and they keep smoking. That's the place where they basically smoke. Oh, TD. We're here to see P1Harmony again after the show. We hope we can see them.
At night, we met up with Tess to eat some fried chicken and finally drink soju.
Typical Korean food.
That was our first and almost only time drinking that much on this trip. And a quick reminder, drinking too much alcohol isn't good for your health.
Это вода. Ладно, окей.
At first we ordered classic version of soju. I think you should mix it with something like beer because it's not that enjoyable on its own. Then Rita and I shared one bottle of grapefruit flavored soju.
Да, это очень вкусно.
And it was good. So good that we ordered one more bottle. I was so drunk at that point. You probably can't see it because I cut out more embarrassing parts, but now I know that 1.5 bottles of soju is my limit, and when I'm wasted, I tend to do two things: laugh like crazy or fall asleep. Day 8 started with some window shopping at Coex Mall. I wanted to browse shops that we don't have in Russia, but we almost don't have any of them, so I just came to every store that I liked. I bought this washcloth at Muji. That was essential. And I also got this pretty wooden spoon and chopsticks as souvenirs.
Какая большая порция. Одинаковые. У меня рука больше Тена. Вот наша маленькая лапка.
Then we went to Myeongdong to do some more shopping. I bought P1Harmony album at the subway station. It's cheaper to buy K-pop stuff there than in stores on the actual street. We also did some window shopping at Pop Mart. At that time, Labubus were everywhere and I didn't want it, but now I low-key want it. I don't know, just give me Labubu. also browsed area with street food, but we didn't buy anything because we were still full from lunch. Wow.
На фалангу больше, чем моя.
BTS решили, что они будут главными героями фотографии и просто все загородили.
At the end of the day, we made it to Han River and Dina showed us a place from Mr. Plankton. There is a tradition to set a picnic with ramen on the riverbank, but it was way too late at night, so we bought some light snacks and ice cream and just enjoyed them not that far from river.
Oh. И как тебе?
Прикольно.
Конечно, немножечко трудно оно всасывается, но вообще прикольно. Тут такая атмосфера, прям, знаете, расслабляющая. Прям вот только чилить здесь. Unpacking. Вау, это прям какой-то ланчбокс. It looks like lunchbox. О,
Обалдеть. Настя, тебе не великовато будет, нет?
нет, она реально такая большая. It's okay. Это хип-хоп, это свэг, это слей. Oh no. Да. Ух. О, милашки лежат. О, подождите, подождите.
Я не могу это надеть. Мне мешают ногти, наверное.
Рита.
Господи.
Соу.
Он такой милый, такой розовый.
О.
Розовый соул.
А, здесь еще что-то есть. О, это Джун! Это тоже, это опять Джун! Ну, футболка Слей.